In January 2012, a post appeared on 4chan, a black image with white text reading, "We are looking for highly intelligent individuals." It was signed 3301. The image hid a message using steganography. Decoding it led to a Reddit post, then a Wikipedia page on Mayan civilization, then a phone number that played an automated countdown. Each clue demanded different skills: cryptography, classical literature, number theory, even ancient languages. Then the puzzle jumped offline. Posters with QR codes appeared on lampposts in cities worldwide: Seattle, Paris, Sydney, Seoul, Moscow, all at once. This wasn't a hobbyist's prank. It was global, organized, and funded. The hunt continued for weeks. Those who finished were simply told it was over. No explanation, no identity revealed. It came back in 2013 and 2014, growing harder each time, eventually leading to Liber Primus, a book written in an unknown runic alphabet that remains partially unsolved over a decade later. Theories range from intelligence agencies recruiting code breakers, to secretive tech companies, to private cryptography societies. No one who claims to have completed it has ever revealed what happened next. After 2014, the trail went cold. A 2016 reappearance is widely believed to be a hoax. But the original Liber Primus cipher still sits unsolved.